Hello there, this is Everything Else Here. Hello guys, today I just want to say we won't be having the camera because well, it's going to be in the way of the stuff, and the reason I've been late is because we made a video on Wednesday, it failed, and then we forgot about it on Thursday. So the video is coming out on Friday, so I hope you like the video. Hello guys, today I'm going to be doing Scratch, and in this Scratch video we will be doing a tutorial on how to make a game with a working enemy and a working player that will shoot and move around, and yeah. So let's get into it. First we have this guy here. Oh wait. Yeah, we have this guy. We have the Scratch Cat. We have Scratchy. Let's go to costumes. Let's delete all this. If you want to, you can hold the mouse down and drag, and whatever's in that box that you've made will get selected. Now you can click the delete button where my mouse is. I've got this cool mouse highlighter that if I click, it'll go blue, and if I right click, it'll go greyish greeny sort of colour. But anyway, back into it. So we can set, you can make whatever you can make your player look however you want to. Oh yeah, tip, wherever you want the where it shoots out of has to be over here. You know where I'm putting my thing has to be over here because this is the front of the player. And obviously I'm not going to have a default purple colour player because that would just be a bit, I think it wouldn't look too good. Now we've made our player, so there. Now our player, when we click the green flag, nothing happens. So let's add in movement. Let's get a green flag, when green flag clicked, a forever loop, a change X by, and change Y by. Put them like that. Is that good? Yeah, it is. At least I think this is the best type of movement to do, if you want it to be simple. Then we put some duplicator bits from the operators in here. And we put, the more you can put whatever you want, whatever number you want in here, just the higher and the faster your player will go. Oh, I did not mean to do that. Now we put a minus inside of duplicators. Why do I keep on doing that? Anyway, we put a minus inside of the duplicators. Now we get a when space key pressed, a when space key pressed, another one, you get it. We need 4 of them. If you want to duplicate a block, you just right click on it, click duplicate. Oh, I did not mean to do that. So now let's put them all in. We put, you can use that, you can do the arrow keys if you want. I put the WADS keys in because, well, yeah, I think it's easier. Some people prefer to have put the arrow keys in, but I put the WADS keys. So now, if we click on the green flag, we can move around. Now, if you want your character to go in the center, just duplicate this code and get rid of the forever loop. And put a go to 0, 0. Now they'll appear in the center of the screen. And now, for the looking at the mouse pointer, get a green flag clicked, a forever loop. And point towards mouse pointer. Now they will point towards the mouse pointer, but as you can see, nothing happens when we click down. When we click down, we want shooting, don't we? So let's make a new sprite. Let's zoom in by clicking the magnifying glass with the plus on it. Now let's get the square shape. Make it whatever colour you want. I'm going to make it look like gold. And let's center it by getting this blue cross-like thing in the middle to connect up with that. So now we've centered it. Let's make this smaller by doing that. There we go. Now we have a bullet, but the bullet just floats there. So, to stop the bullet from just floating there, let's put some code in. Let's put some more code. So we can duplicate this, get rid of the point towards mouse pointer. Now we're going to get an if-then block from here. Now let's put the if-then block in the forever loop. Go to the sensing category, get the mouse down and put it in between the if and the then. Then we've got if-then mouse down, but nothing still happens. So going to put create a clone of sprite 2, or you can name this sprite 2 is the bullet. Okay, so let's get some code in. So one green flag clicked. Hide. This will hide the sprite. Okay, sure. So now get a when I start as a clone. Okay, so now this is where the code gets confusing with this when I start as a clone. Let me get a show go backward 99 layers. We get a point in direction 90 block, and then we go to the sensing category and get the backdrop of stage. Instead of backdrop we have start sprite 1, instead of exposition we have direction. And then actually I forgot, we have a move 10 steps. We have point in direction, then we have a repeat until, put a touching edge block in there, and then get a move 10 steps. And I'm forgetting a lot of things, haven't I? I forgot to put the go to sprite 1. Now when we shoot, a bullet will come out of the gun, but as you can see, over time we will run out of ammo. We don't want that, do we? So let's put when I start a clone forever, if then touching edge, wait 0.10 seconds, delete this clone. There we go. Now the shooting should work. And if you want to, you can remove the repeat until touching edge block and replace it with a forever loop. And then it will look smoother. Now the bullets will just fly off the screen. And now, we've got a bit uncontrollable. We've got quite a lot of shooting, haven't we? So, we've got way too much bullets coming out at a time. So, let's go wait 1 second and replace the 1 with a 0.3 seconds. And then, now this happen. This will happen, and this is good, because now the controlling is actually so now the shooting is actually controlled. Well, now we've got a player, but that player doesn't have anybody to shoot, do they? So let's make a new sprite and click on the paint. Zoom in, make a circle. Make it whatever colour you want. I think I'm going to go for a zombie green. Give him some arms. There we go. Now he's got some arms. But code he has not. But what he's not got is code. So let's put a one green flag clicked. Forever. Wait 1 second. Create a clone of myself. When I start as a clone, forever, duplicate that, put a move 1 steps inside and put a point towards sprite 1. Now let's get some code for dying. So, when I start as a clone, forever, if then, touching, sprite 2, repeat 2 times. Now, that is the amount of frames my death animation is going to have. Then delete this clone. Now, when I start as a clone, go to switch to costume 1. Now let's make a death animation. There we go. This looks like an absolute mess, but it's okay. Now, shall we try it out? Oh wait, I forgot one thing. When I start as a clone, go to random position. There we go. Now the code's ready. Pew, 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 pew. Have you noticed that this spawner is still here and the zombies' death animation goes way too fast? Well, get a wait 0.10 seconds. Yeah, 0.10 seconds. And get a when green flag clicked, hide, and a when I start as a clone, show. And now, you've got some working zombies. The bullets go through them though, don't they? And do we want those bullets to get deleted when they touch the zombies? Yes. So, when I start as a clone, forever, if then, touching, sprite 3. Instead you're just duplicating this and then replacing touching edge with sprite 3. And now, bullets go right into those zombies and kill the zombies and the bullets get deleted. Well, I hope you guys liked the video. Please like and subscribe. You don't have to, but it would be really nice if you did. Bye!